all the founders in the D2C space absolutely are unaware of the customers they are catering to. That's a bloody fact. Most of them, or I would say all of them. In the last 2 months, I spoke to 100 D2C founders. When I asked them one simple question, actually 2 questions. How sure are you of your product? They were super sure. Second question, whom are you creating these products for? Very vague, shitty answers. So say for example, if I'm making a craft chocolate brand, the moment you use the term craft, then you need to be super clear on what do you mean by craft. Craft का मतलब पहली बात तो ये है कि everything from the cacao pod to the process, to the packaging, everything should define craft. Because the people who understand craft chocolates, their psyche is very different. They want to know from which estate this is coming. What is the process of making the chocolate? Say for example, for this craft chocolate specifically, these are these guys who understand coffee, who understand process, who understand wine, who understand the flavor notes. So these are actually the TG. वो TG नहीं जिसको chocolate पसंद है मीठा. That's not the audience of a craft chocolate. So maybe even when you're targeting them, you have to place your products at the right spot. Maybe at a specialty coffee place, if your craft chocolate is placed, it makes a lot of sense. A craft chocolate at a kirana store doesn't make sense because that's not where your customers are going. Now similarly, once you know your TG, you know their personality, you know their psyche, is when you should start building the bloody brand. For me, the first principle of identifying a TG is not age. It's first the personality of the customer. So if you really know your TG, then you have to really be sharp at even using the micro copy on the packaging label. That what would they love to read and know about your product? Before you start building, talk to your customers. Don't ask them, do they like the product? Ask them, will they really buy the product? At what price will they buy? What will make them buy? If you don't get these answers, that means something is really wrong somewhere. There are 2 routes. Either you do this process that I'm asking you to do, or be conscious that you don't invest everything that you have. Build slowly, gradually, take a lot of feedbacks and then go full on. जितने भी विदेश से इंडिया सेटल हो रहे फाउंडर्स है ना, सबको मोमबत्ती, सेंटेड कैंडल्स एंड सेंटेड इंसेंस स्टिक्स का बिजनेस बनाना है सबको. और क्यों पूछो, बोलो बहुत बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट है हमारा. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंशिएटर, दे डोंट नो. और मेरे को नहीं पता इनकी अगरबत्ती और इनकी मोमबत्ती कौन खरीद रहा है. मैं तो नहीं खरीद रहा. इन शॉर्ट, आई एम नॉट द टीजी. देन हु इज द टीजी, ये फिगर आउट कर लो.